they just come and they are very rude, like disturbing me. And I can't finish my conversation and you know, like they ask me to be their girlfriend. What is that, huh?
Nah, tuh coba lu jelasin sendiri, gua gak ngerti.
You need to help me.
Panjang.
Gue lagi nganga-nganga.
Lu kan polisi sini, masa gak ngerti bahasa dia?
Oh, there are these people here who came next to me.
Dia lagi nelpon, begitu dia nengok gue bilang oh yes.
They are pretty bad.
Wah, berarti itu
Yeah.
gue sering dengar tuh film kalau nggak.
They are talking so loud, I can't understand you.
Hello? I'm Vero.
Hi. Oh, okay,
Halo.
wait, I will call you back, okay?
Oke.
Okay, see
Yo
you.
Vero, halo.
Lagi mesen itu.
What's your name?
Hi.
Hi, I am Mali Tong Tong.
But what do you want, huh?
You have me.
Apaan you have me?
Na na ni na na.
Itu lagu. Mother you have me.
Na 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 mama 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 mama.
You better.
Kebanyakan
you
makan
better.
keju lu.
I will do you somehow. We are the superhero.
Oh.
When I wanna see you better. Mother on the song. When I see home.
What my?
Lu jangan mantekin gua apa sih lu?
Ngobrol.
Lu ngobrol tapi gua di belakang lu.
What my name?
What my name?
What's your?
What's your name?
Nama lo dong.
Ya lu nanyain dia, what's your name?
Ya,
Bukan
makanya.
my name, lu masa nanya nama lu sendiri?
Enggak, nama dia dong.
Iya.
Nanti dia jawab, my name, gitu.
Enggak, what's your name? Begitu.
Ah, so tau lo.
So tau lu yang sok breaker.
What my name?
Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
Yes.
And what do you want from me?
Ah,
For me.
I love you.
It's very rude, you know?
What?
This is very rude.
What do you say?
I have a boyfriend, you cannot talk with me like
Ah,
that.
I'm Adorno.
But what do you want, huh?
Okay, I'm trying.
Huh?
You like me?
No, I don't.
Get out, snacky, goodbye.
Oh yes.
I was actually talking to my boyfriend, you know?
Ada keperluan apa datang ke sini? Ada keperluan
You
apa?
try Indonesia?
I don't even understand what you're talking.
Oh iya, telepon.
Yeah, I was talking with my boyfriend.
Gua mau
Friends.
nih,
No, my
ngegombalin dia.
Oh iya,
Yes.
sama pacarnya.
Pantun bahasa Inggris.
Iya,
Pantun.
I have a pen.
Bukan, itu mah bukan pantun. Bukan pantun.
I have a pen. A pen is blue. I have a girlfriend is you.
Wah,
Bagus.
over
I'm
the,
so
mo-
sorry.
over the mountain, over the mountain. But central, little flower melati.
Apa itu?
Sana gunung, sini gunung.
Oh iya, tengah-tengah pohon melati.
Udah Fonten, udah Fonten. Udah Fonten. Kak gitu juga kali pantun di Inggrisin lucu. Masa dia begitu?
Iis.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I like. Oh, no. I'm sorry.
What do you want from me?
I want to marry you.
No, I have a boyfriend.
Oh, my God.
You are really bothering me. I was on a phone call, and now I need to text
yes.
because you don't let me talk.
Yes or no?
Yes, oh no.
Oh, I'm sikut miskin.
Oh yes.
Hah? Ya beda orang bule, mancung.
You nose
What about my nose?
good.
Is
Thank you.
long.
Long.
I'm,
Yours is very flat. Why?
yeah, my flat.
Why?
My mother is, I'm.
Emaknya beranakin dia maksudnya gitu.
Udah kalau ngomong cukup di sini tangan lo, jangan pakai ngelosor kemana-mana. double strength.
Born.
Lahir, ya lahir.
Lahir ya, oke.
Born.
Iya.
Born.
I'm
But still, like, what do you want from me? I don't understand. Why you came here? I was talking with my boyfriend, and now what do you want?
Yeah, kidding for you. Kidding.
Kidding for you.
But
Kidding
it's not
for
very
you.
funny.
No, I'm
Yeah,
serious.
not funny. I'm to experience in your country. Disappointment.
Aduh.
Sampai gloss.
Ngomong aja kayak glosor.
You know what?
Yes.
I can't. Police? Is there any police here? We are in the middle of Rome.
Police, oh, Anio.
Police? Nah.
Sepertinya saya mendengar ada yang tidak manggil saya.
Ada yang manggil.
Ada yang manggil. Ibu satpam perumahan di Depok.
Jangan bikin saya ketawa ya, saya lagi serem nih. Saya lagi marah.
Lipstick belang gitu.
Kalau habis main panas-panasan lu, sirik aja lu.
Seriawan.
Apaan?
Kirain jenglot.
Barangan aja.
Lapor.
Ah, ini siapa yang manggil saya tadi?
I was calling you.
Kamu kenapa, my twins?
Kembarannya.
Lu kasur twin.
Bukan,
My
itu twin bed. My twin tuh kembaran, norak lu.
Ya kasur.
Sekolah makanya orang
gua udah-
kata nggak sekolah lu.
Gue
Nggak
sekolah. Saking seringnya sampai kekunci.
You know,
Siapa
I'm
yang
very
kembaran?
mad.
Kembaran di sana. Lu kembaran?
Iya.
Oh, ngaca lu di bubur.
Kamu kenapa nangis? Coba jelasin.
They were
Di
calling me.
aku pengamanan di sini. Jangankan kamu.
Hah?
Cowok-cowok ini bisa aku amanin di hati aku.
You know what? Let me tell you. So I was talking with my boyfriend.
Coba sini kamu jelasin lebih
Yes.
detail.
So I was talking to my boyfriend.
Hah?
So I just go there to sit to
Ah.
finish my conversation.
Nah.
And after they just come
Huh?
and they are very rude, like disturbing me, and I can't finish my conversation. And you know, like they ask me to
Nah.
be their girlfriend.
Ah.
What is that? Huh?
Nah, tuh coba lu jelasin sendiri, gua nggak ngerti.
You need to help me.
Panjang.
Gue lagi ngangak-ngangak.
Lu kan polisi sih, ini masa gak ngerti bahasa dia.
Lu ngerti gak? Sik gua. Iya.
Kan kia tata orang teh tiluan ka ditu. Itu jangan. Oke. Urang mah maksud naon ka ditu teh. Mani ngali neng teh aduh mani bodas pisan.
Dia orang Rumania.
You need to help me, please.
Roma.
Jangan serius ya, saya lagi bercanda. Diam. Coba kamu jelasin ulang, kamu kenapa?
I told you already. I was
Ih, ngomong
here.
jorok, told kata.
Bukan. It told me.
Hah?
It told me.
Apa itu artinya?
Hah?
Lu sok ngajarin orang, Opi. Tinggal lu aja diconet. Lu pakai ngajarin gue.
Kau juga anak condet, gue tersinggung nih. Barangan lu ya.
Iya, Pap, coba lu ngerti mungkin ya.
It told me.
Oh, oke.
Nah, coba lu ngomong sama dia.
Tell her how you have a problem with me. What's your problem?
No, ya siapa sih, boleh.
Lu kata apa?
Handphone siapa yang lagi dicas nih?
Si kamu gue injek lama ya.
Itu telepon. Ngom.
Aduh,
Telepon
kamu mohon
umum
maaf.
dicas.
Please help me. I'm
Katrina ya, dipanggil Cu please.
Please.
no, please. I'm sorry, Miss. I'm not you mengganggu situ.
But you don't need to cry. It's
Apa-apa?
fine.
Coba mohon diulang.
Don't cry for me to
setengah?
Argentina.
Apa?
Hah?
Apaan?
I'm sorry.
It's
Don't
okay.
cry.
It's okay.
Oh my God.
Don't worry. I forgive you. It's okay. But please don't do like that anymore, okay?
Tadi si Kristina.
Aku tak mau.
Kenapa jadi nyanyi? Hei, kamu juga minta maaf. Jangan sampai mengganggu tamu saya. Kenapa sih? Oh, dia mau meluk juga. Dia mau meluk juga.
Sumur kering.
Anak belum bayar.
I don't like you, huh?
Hah?
Huh? You are very fake, huh?
Okay, I'm come back.
Ini I'm comeback. Aku akan kembali.
Lu mau kemana?
Nggak boleh meluk dia.
Boleh, ntar
Boleh.
nangis dulu. Iya. Ayo.